Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove Audi A3 air vents. First, gather your tools. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool to protect your dashboard from scratches. A small flathead screwdriver can be helpful for specific clips, but use it carefully. Some find a T-shaped hook tool useful for extra leverage. These tools will ensure a smooth and damage-free removal process for your air vents. Now, let's begin the removal. Carefully insert your plastic trim tool into the gap between the vent and the dashboard. Start at one edge and gently pry outwards. Work your way around the entire vent, applying steady, even pressure. You'll feel the retaining clips begin to release. Take your time to avoid any sudden movements that could damage the surrounding trim. As you pry, you'll notice the vent is held in place by clips, typically 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Use your trim tool or a small flathead screwdriver to carefully disengage each clip. Some Audi A3 vents also have a small spring mechanism inside, so be mindful not to lose it once the vent starts to come free. Gentle manipulation is key here. Once all clips are disengaged, gently wiggle the vent to fully remove it from the dashboard opening. Before reinstalling, check that all internal mechanisms like the directional flaps are functioning correctly. To reinstall, simply align the vent with the opening and push it firmly into place until you hear a satisfying click, indicating the clips have re-engaged securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.